Welcome back to our channel. Today, our journey takes us into the heart of the home, where we will explore the joy of indoor gardening. We're diving into the world of indoor gardening with a focus on low-maintenance houseplants. These green companions enhance the beauty of our homes and bring a sense of peace and vitality to our lives. Let's explore the top 5 low-maintenance houseplants that can transform your home into an indoor garden oasis. Our first contender is the resilient snake plant, known scientifically as Sansevieria trifasciata. This plant thrives on a bit of neglect, much like a cherished book on a shelf that patiently waits for your return. The snake plant can tolerate low light conditions and doesn't demand constant watering, making it ideal for busy individuals or forgetful gardeners. Its resilience is a testament to its inner strength, requiring minimal care to flourish. Beyond its low-maintenance nature, it also purifies the air, acting like a silent guardian against harmful toxins. Imagine it working diligently to remove formaldehyde and benzene, creating a healthier living environment for you. Its ability to thrive with minimal care, coupled with its air-purifying qualities, makes it a true embodiment of practicality and natural beauty. The snake plant is a wonderful companion for your indoor garden journey. Next up, we have the ZZ plant, scientifically known as Zamioculcas zamiofolia. With its shiny, waxy leaves and upright growth habit, the ZZ plant exudes an air of quiet strength and elegance. It can endure low light and drought-like conditions, making it an ideal choice for offices or spaces with little natural light. The ZZ plant's resilience is truly remarkable, storing water in its bulb-like rhizomes to withstand periods of dryness. Beyond its hardiness, the ZZ plant also excels at purifying the air, removing toxins like xylene and toluene. Imagine it as a silent guardian, diligently working to create a healthier environment for you. If you're seeking a plant that embodies both strength and grace, the ZZ plant is an excellent choice for your indoor garden. Its unwavering presence and air-purifying qualities make it a true treasure to behold. Pothos, the cascading waterfall of green. This beloved houseplant is celebrated for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, bringing a touch of nature's cascading beauty into our homes. Imagine the pothos as a waterfall of green, its vines gracefully flowing over shelves or cascading from hanging baskets. The pothos is incredibly versatile, thriving in various lighting conditions from low to bright indirect light. When it comes to watering, the pothos is forgiving, tolerating occasional neglect without holding a grudge. Whether you display it in a hanging basket, let it trail from a shelf, or train it to climb a moss pole, the pothos will reward you with its lush foliage and air-purifying qualities. The pothos is an excellent choice for your indoor garden sanctuary. Spider plant, the Playful Propagator. This charming houseplant is beloved for its arching leaves and its playful nature, effortlessly producing baby plantlets, often called spiderets. Imagine the spider plant as a symbol of abundance and growth, its spiderets representing the continuous cycle of life and renewal. The spider plant thrives in bright, indirect light and can tolerate occasional drying out, making it a forgiving companion. Beyond its charming appearance, the spider plant is also an excellent air purifier, removing pollutants like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. Its ability to produce an abundance of spiderets makes it a joy to propagate, allowing you to share its beauty with friends and family. Imagine the delight of gifting a piece of nature's magic, spreading the joy of indoor gardening. The spider plant is a delightful addition to your indoor garden. Peace lily, the Elegant Air Purifier. This graceful houseplant is prized for its lush green foliage and its stunning white flowers, which resemble flags of peace unfurling in a gentle breeze. The peace lily thrives in low to medium light and prefers consistently moist soil. Beyond its elegant appearance, the peace lily also acts as a natural humidifier, releasing moisture into the air. Imagine the peace lily as a guardian of your well-being, purifying the air, adding moisture, and creating a more harmonious indoor environment. If you're seeking a plant that embodies elegance, tranquility, and the gift of cleaner air, the peace lily is an excellent choice for your indoor garden sanctuary. The peace lily is a true symbol of tranquility and serenity. Cultivating joy in your indoor garden. There you have it, our top 5 low-maintenance houseplants for your indoor garden. Whether you're looking to spruce up your space or improve indoor air quality, these plants are sure to thrive with minimal effort, bringing you closer to nature's tranquility. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite low-maintenance houseplant. Happy gardening!